In this video, we're going to show the foreign language support for the AI Writer. So we'll just go back into one of our example projects here, the HVAC services. So this is a Proposal Kit Professional feature, the Expert Edition of the Wizard for foreign language support. So all you have to do is in your project screen, change the language to any of the supported languages. And we'll just go down, let's just say Romanian. And we'll go into the AI Writer. And we've still got our instructions files. And note, these are all in English. Got our pages selected. Our how to write hasn't changed. Nothing has changed other than we've changed the drop down on the project screen to a different language. And we will just recreate all the content. So we've cleared out the content for this example here. And we're just going to generate new content. And just sit back and wait for it. All right, now the content's been generated. Okay, now we can see our cover letter has been completely rewritten in Romanian. All right, so here's our introduction. And our executive summary. So you can see how it is going to rewrite every page it generates completely in the selected language. So that is how you do foreign language translation support in the AI Writer for all your content. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and click subscribe to keep up on the latest proposal writing tips with Proposal Kit.